How to fix Microsoft Teams lag and slow performance for end users. So here I am in the Microsoft Teams application. So if you are having some problems with performance in using Microsoft Teams, like for example, it's lagging very bad or it's responding very slow, what you can do is that we can do some different solutions for this. The first solution that we can do is that we can just close applications that we are not currently using. So as you can see, there are a bunch of different applications that are open that I don't really need to use right now. So what I need to do is that I just need to close them so that it won't take up some processing power from the CPU. Then I can also close the browser right here. So now your performance should now be better since you only just have Microsoft Teams open right here. If you're still having some problems, what we can do is that we can go to the task manager. Just right click on your toolbar, click task manager. From here, you should see different applications that takes up a lot of CPU power. So you can also just click CPU right here so that it will show you what specific applications that use the most CPU. Or you can click memory right here to see which applications uses the most memory. And then from there, you can decide which applications you should end or like close. So to close an application, you can just right click and then click end task, or just click on the application, then click end task. So just go ahead and find the specific applications that takes up some major space. So if you're still having some problems with your performance, what we can do is that we can change the priority of the application. So for example, to do that, go right here to details, then find Teams. From here, just click on msteams.exe. From here, you should right click so that this drop down will appear. And then right here, you can see set priority. From here, you should choose either real time or high. So when you go ahead and choose that, it will tell your computer to prioritize Microsoft Teams. And then it will give more power to the Microsoft Teams application so that the end users can use it more efficiently and without lag. So again, it's up to you if you want to use real time or high, but the highest level right here is real time. So just choose real time, click change priority, go back and then reset Microsoft Teams, and then now your application should now be faster. If you're still having some problems, maybe you are having some data or space issues. So if you're having some space issues, now what you can do is that you can go to your file explorer, then you can go ahead and delete unnecessary files that takes up a lot of space. Or what you can also do is that you can go to run, and then you can type in clean manager, and then choose the specific drive that you want to clean up, click OK. Then it will calculate how much space that you can be able to clear right here. As you can see, I have some temporary files that is 8 gigabytes. So that takes up a lot of space. So you can go ahead and click OK so that it will clean that up. And then that is it. So those are the different solutions that we can do to fix the performance issues of Microsoft Teams. So particularly lagging and having a slow performance. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.